5 minutes. Good. You see me ready to go crunchy. Good. Right? Make you see what I go on. Boom bam. Yeah man, look at that. Yes, Jaja. In the oven, baked chicken tonight, curry shrimp, and white rice since it's curry shrimp, and steamed cabbage. So in the oven you go. See there? Vegetable time now. Yeah man. Cabbage, carrot, pepper. You don't know the greens. Now look. That's my cabbage, carrot, pepper, and the original greens. See there? And we are gonna steam that down right now. Alright? And some curry shrimp. Yeah man, so see there? Fresh shrimp. Fresh. Yeah man, so we are gonna curry that now. And so we have the seasoning there right there, so yeah, piece of garlic after going at it is a must. Yep. So cooking out. That good. No more. And then add a piece of garlic. Yeah. And then add the seasoning. Is it? And some curry nice, you know? So while I let that go on, we're gonna add the shrimp tonight now. Soft shrimp. That's soft shrimp. And of course we got some more curry nice on this. Get them nice. Guys see after 5 minutes. 5 minutes bubbling like that. And the shrimp is ready. The vegetable ready over here, so see there? I like my vegetable crunchy, you know. Ooh. You see it, so yeah man, see there? You can see it translucent. You know, as long as it's translucent, it's good. You see me ready to go crunchy, good. Right? So that ready. And I have a vegetable that, and then we have some chicken in our oven. See there? Yeah man. 5 minutes and your shrimp ready, man. You don't need to cook shrimp too long, you know. Yeah man, so I'm gonna plate him now nicely and make you see what I go on. Boom bam. Yeah guys, see this is the final product, eh? Yeah man, check out the details. Subscribe, you know. Yeah man. Yes, Jaja.